Hi, I'm Don Gulovich from Coastal Heat Pumps. And at Coastal Heat Pumps, we're all about comfort, your comfort. And to us, comfort is your indoor temperature. Comfort is the temperature in different zones of your home. Comfort is the inside equipment noise that you have. Comfort is the outside equipment noise. Comfort is having low operational costs. Comfort is having low maintenance costs. Comfort is having accessibility to parts. Comfort is knowing that you have a strong warranty of up to 12 years long. Comfort is knowing that financing is available and the savings that you experience can make your payments. At Coastal Heat Pumps, we consider all of this when we're designing your new heat pump system. At Coastal Heat Pumps, your comfort is our guarantee. As I stand here before you, encouraging you to create an indoor comfort zone, it's not lost on me that everything you ever wanted is one step outside of your comfort zone. And for me, today, one step out of my comfort zone is I need a really good haircut. So Joanne, if you could give me a hand, and if you could give me a good haircut, that'd be awesome.
And I'm totally out of my comfort zone. I have never even held one of these things before.
So let's do this. How's that feel? How's that look? Feels a lot shorter. Is there any grain?
Yes, there's some on the sides, but we'll get rid of that too.
Wow, thank you, Joanne. So whether you're inside your comfort zone or outside of your comfort zone, give us a call, and at Coastal Heat Pumps, your comfort is our guarantee. Thank you so much. And that was a big step for me out of my comfort zone, but tell you what, feels good. Bye for now.